welcome back to your channel. Today our mom is going to teach us how to make okra soup.
Ingredients.
I'm going to be teaching my children how to make okra soup today. Here we have okra, and this is a shaki and a cow leg. We store fish and we dry fish. This is pepper, and this is crayfish, oil, red oil, and Maggi. These are the things that we need to make okra soup. So now we are going to start to make the okra soup. So I will be calling on Promise to come and put the okra in the cooking pot, because we have the water in the boiling pot right now. Promise is going to pour the crayfish in the boiling pot right now. So Promise, you have to put the okra now in the boiling pot. That's good. Then take the spoon and stir it. Stir the soup together, little. That's nice. So Excel, can you come and pour the pepper into the boiling pot, the okra soup?
Yeah.
Then you can pour the stuffed fish also. Yes. Just take the spoon and stir it together.
Okay.
As you can see, Esther is stirring the okra soup together. It's okay, you can drop the spoon. So, Victory,
Yeah.
can you come and pour the shaki and the meat and the fish into the okra soup?
Yeah.
Then you have to turn it together, stir it together. Be careful, don't come and pour it on the floor. That's good. Yeah, you can drop the spoon. So Promise, can you come and put the Maggi into the soup? Okay. So Esther, come and put oil, red oil into the soup.
Okay.
Is enough. Then you can take the spoon and stir the soup together. Be careful, you just have to do it little, gradually. Stir it together. Stir it together. You can hold the soup like this so that it will not pour on the floor. Yeah, nice. So now you can drop the spoon. Victory, you can get up and put the little water into the okra soup.
Okay.
Then you can stir it together with a spoon. Just be careful so that you won't pour the... Okay. Okay, we are going to wait now and see the outcome of the soup. We just have to give him some minutes. Okay then,
1 hour later.
This is the outcome of the okra soup. Here we have with the okra soup. This is the okra soup. As you can see, this is the okra soup. And my kids are about to eat right now. My kids are eating the okra soup and pounded yam right now. As you can see them, they are eating.
The soup is very yummy.
Very good.
Yeah.
Look at the top of his head.
Video. Don't forget to subscribe and like because we're gonna have a giveaway and we're gonna give you guys $20. The giveaway ends in Christmas.